Welcome to Zcatives, where imagination dances with curiosity. Join Captain Z and her quirky crew on adventures through art, science, and learning with giggles.
Hello, kids. I'm Captain Z, your fun and friendly teacher. We are going to explore, learn, and have lots of adventures together. Get ready for exciting stories and amazing discoveries. Join us on an exciting journey to learn shapes, discover and have fun identifying shapes together. This is a circle. Here are some examples of circles in our daily life. Donut, ball, claw, this is a rectangle. Here are some examples of rectangles in our daily life. Window, books, phone, this is a triangle. Here are some examples of triangles in our daily life. Tree, watermelon, hat, now it's your turn. Can you share some other shapes that can be found in our daily life? Thank you for joining. I can't wait to see you in the next episode, little adventurers. We're here to make learning fun and exciting for your little ones. Share your awesome ideas and suggestions in the comments to help us make our videos even better and boost kids' knowledge. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun learning adventures with Captain Z. Thanks for your amazing support.